Hello friends, today's video I'm going to be painting some easy watercolor leaves. This is a watercolor sketchbook that I DIY'd and I'll leave a link to the tutorial in the description box. I'm using some watercolor cakes. This is by the company called Camel. I love how pretty all the rainbow colors are on this. And I'll be using the paintbrush that came in it, which is a number 7 round. I have some water and I'm just going to use a couple of clips here to hold my paper flat. That way I'll be able to add more water to the paper. And my idea today is just to use water to paint and then drop some colors in. So let's see how it goes. So I have a pencil sketch already in place and I'm just going to go ahead and first paint one of the leaves with water. So I'm starting over here like in the bottom corner because I don't want to start in the center focal point area. Okay, now I'm going to pick up some color. Let's do yellow. Then I'm just going to drop a few drops of yellow into the water. And then I'll repeat that with some green. I'm not really fidgeting with it. I want the water to do the moving. And I'm just going to repeat this for all of the leaves. I'll play some music here and you can watch me paint. Okay, so it's the next day now and you can see everything is dried. Some of them have blurred and some of them have these harsh water lines. Not all of them, but some of them. And you can leave it as is, but I'm going to go and try and fix them. So depending on the paper you use, you might have these kind of bleed lines. And this is a really harsh line. So what I'm going to do is just use my wet paintbrush. It's barely damp. And just go over that area a little bit. I don't want to mix the colors, so I'm just kind of rubbing my paintbrush until all of that harsh bleed vanishes. Can you see that? It's a little better now. Again, I started mixing it too much. I want to stop. I don't want it. I want the natural blending of the colors to remain. Like you can see here now, this is a very harsh yellow line. I'm just gonna use my paintbrush to rub the line. So this is completely dried now. Much better color bleeds. I love the colorful leaves in this. And you can see the pencil lines a little bit. Let me tilt it. You can leave the pencil lines if you want to. I'm okay with it. Or you can just erase them. And I'm just going to use a black pen and draw the outlines for the leaves. I'm going to hold the pen kind of loose in my hand and just draw my lines where they are and then give outlines to the leaf shapes. Nothing precise, extremely loose. That's the style I'm going for today.